Okay, let's look at one more solving an equation. Now, this one, 24, kind of differs from the other ones you'll see. Just shot straight past them. So, back up again. Right, you see, okay, so here we go. You're finding x, what x equals. Here, you're finding what x equals. Even way down, let's look down below on this. Even here, find out what x equals. There you go, a bit of a distributive law, etc., etc. Now, this one looks kind of different because you've got numerators and denominators. Well, if you do remember from previous classes, you can do this by cross multiplication. I mean, you could if you wanted to, like the one above. How do you get rid of denominators? Okay, like here we did the multiply by 4 to get rid of 4 and 2. What's the lowest common denominator? It's 6. You could multiply everything by 6, but these classics come up later in higher math classes by just doing cross multiplication. In other words, 4x minus 2 times the 2 and 3x plus 5 times the 6. Okay, so let's have a look at this. Here we go. I'm going to multiply those two together. And I'm just going to write it like this. 2, if you can, sorry about the dogs in the background. 2, 4x minus 2, and my scrappy writing. And then 6, we're going to go this way, multiplied by 3x plus 5. Okay, you'll see a lot of cross multiplication in further math classes. Okay. Right, okay, that's it now. Now you've just made life so much easier on yourself, it's just distributive law. 8x minus 4, okay, remember 2 times 4x, 2 times negative 2, equals 18x, a more manageable 8, and that looks like 30. Okay. And that's it, you've done the distributive law. Okay, where's there more x's? There's more x's on this side, let's keep them there. So let's get rid of 8x. Positive 8x, subtract an 8x. Gone. Subtract an 8x. I'm subtracting, forget about the line. Okay, that will give me 10x. I just subtracted 18x, took away 8x. I still have 30. I still have negative 4. Okay, so again, remember, we're going to leave this right there. So we don't want this plus 30, we're going to take away a 30. Gone. Oops. Sorry about that. Let's take away a 30 from this side. So we should have negative 34. That's negative 4, negative 30. Still equals 10x. Remember what to do now? Divide by the number next to the letter. Okay, divide by 10. And you have, right, x equals negative 34 over 10, which can be reduced, they're both even numbers, to negative 17 over 5, and that is the answer. Let's put it in those curly parentheses again. Okay, let's see if we can see the answer. Is that right? Let's have a look. Remember I said to you I've got the answer sheets here. So that was 24. Question 24, don't get dizzy. Negative 17 over 5. There it is. Is that what we got? Negative 17 over 5. There you go. So remember this, when you see them like this, cross multiplication. Makes life so much easier.